Hey guys, angle bisector theorem, real quick, vocabulary. Bisector. What does it mean when something bisects something? It means cut in half. Okay? So this theorem holds whenever we are cutting an angle in half, okay, in the triangle like this. So we can see that this angle on this triangle was bisected by this line here. What does that mean? It cut the angle in half. That's what this means, that those angles are congruent. Okay? So we can see from the picture that indeed an angle has been bisected. So now we can apply this theorem. All right? So let me erase this. What does that mean? It means that whenever the angle is bisected, a proportion, this proportion happens every single time. You're going to write A relates to C. So A is to C as B is to D. All right? So you always write the proportion like this. There's one other way that you can write the proportion. Okay? Sometimes it benefits you to use this other method. It's pretty much just as simple as that one. Okay, let me erase this so I can give you the visual here. So for this one, A is to B as C is to D. Okay? All right, it's that simple. You just have to get the proper sides lined up whenever you do the proportion, right? So we're going to do an example from the next page. This was sent to me by Ryan. Thank you, buddy, for sending this. Hope you're well. Miss ya. All right. So in this triangle, 5.5 is to 4.3. As question mark is to 4.1. Okay, I'm gonna write it both ways. What's the other way to write the proportion? Do you remember? That one would go like this. We could go either way here. Question mark is to 5.5 as 4.1 is to ugh, as 4.1 is to 4.3. All right, so here we go. We're just going to cross multiply, and we're going to get 4.3 times question mark. Let's see if this will work. Yes, it's going to work. Here we go. I'm going to move this over to here. Okay, 4.3 times question mark equals 5.5 times 4.1. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 4.3. And I'm going to get that question mark equals, so I'm going to, hey, look what I got. Okay. So here we go. 5.5 times 4.1 equals, okay, try that again with the calculator on. 5.5 times 4.1 equals, divided by 4.3. Boom. Question mark equals 5.244186047, but the problem says round to one decimal place, so 5.2. So question mark equals 5.2. Now guess what? I'm going to prove that the other one works just the same. So cross multiply. Boom. 4.3 times question mark equals 5.5 times 4.1. Does that look familiar? It's the same thing I got last time, isn't it? Divide both sides by 4.3. You can see I have the same exact problem. Okay, so just like I said, it works either way. So question mark equals 5.2. Boom. Hope this was helpful. I'm realizing I should have probably invested a little bit more money in technology stuff. Probably will do that. All right.